Hey guys, let's see how to fix iPhone battery draining fast after update the iOS 16.6. After update the iOS 16.6.1 guys. So guys, I recently purchased the iPhone with iOS 16.6 and noticed that within a month it went to 99% and another month it went to 98% after the iOS update 16.6.1, as you can see our screen. But now it has stopped because I have done some workaround fixes, and in this video I am going to share with you guys for the same. So guys, please subscribe to my channel. Alright, so let's just give these confirmed solutions a try on your iPhone to save its battery health guys. So the first solution is update the latest iOS version, because previous iOS 16.6 and 16.6.1 version resulting in rapid battery drain. If you go to the software update, I have just updated the latest iOS 17. You can see over here iOS 17 is just updated, and just go and check in your iPhone if you have any the software update available. Just go and install for update guys. And the second solution guys, turn on auto brightness. So for turn on auto brightness, just go to settings. So as you can see over here, so just go to settings, just tap on it, and after that setting, just try to go to accessibility. Just try to find accessibility. Where is the accessibility? Yeah, here you can see. Just tap on it guy, and now just come to display and text size, and guys just try to come down, and you can see over here auto brightness. In your case, if it is turn off, just go to tap to turn on guys. Turning off auto brightness may affect battery life, so better you go for turn on guys. And the third solution is recalibrate the battery. If I say the recalibrate the battery, that means you don't need to charge your iPhone to 100%. Please make sure that guys, you don't need to charge your iPhone to 100%. Use your iPhone until it is down to 0%, and then charge it to 100%. That means you are going to recalibrate the battery. As you can see over here in my case, see here my battery percentage is 12%. So once my battery percent went around 1%, 2%, then I have to start my charging around till to 98%. And the fourth solution is turn on lower power mode right away guys. So just go to settings and try to find battery. As you can see over here the battery, you can just tap on it guys, and you can see over here low power mode. So guys, in your case if it is turn off, just go tap to turn on guys. And the fifth solution is battery usage by app. Just try to find which app is draining more battery in your iPhone. So for that, just go to settings and try to find the battery. You can just see here, just tap on it, and now you can see, just try slide come down. It's a battery usage by app. You can see in my case Instagram is draining battery, it's 80%. Remove this app and again go for reinstall that app. And the sixth solution is optimize battery charging. So for that, just go to settings and try to find battery, just tap on it, and just try to expand the selection battery health and charging. Just tap on it guys, and you can see optimize battery charging. So please guys go and just tap to turn on. In your case if it is turn off, just go tap to turn on guys. And the last one workaround you have to do in your iPhone right away, disable background app refresh. So for that guys, just go to settings and try to find general, just tap on it, and you can see over the background app refresh. Just tap on it, and now see in my case background app refresh showing automatically turned off. The reason being is because I have turned on low power mode. So if you just see that here, just go to battery, and you can see that low power mode is turned on. So for example, if I wanted to show you, if you just turn off, and now you can just come again back, and you can see, just go to general, and you can just background app refresh. Now it is showing on. So for that, just go to off guys. So guys, I hope these solutions fix your iPhone draining battery quickly. If you like my video, please do like, subscribe to my channel. Thank you.